One thing though, how many of us will actually ever be able to go into space? We've been to meet one man who's hoping to do that very soon.
3, 2, 1.
Unusual antics in the school gym. It's not quite the final frontier, it's Newham, East London.
We then ignite the rocket engine and go.
Year 8 students at the Cumberland School are taking part in Mission X, Train Like an Astronaut. Per Wimmer is an investment banker and adventurer. He's already paid up for 3 future space flights.
It's very important for those of us who are private astronauts to carry. I think we have a responsibility to share the experience, but also to inspire the next generation.
So are the youngsters inspired to go up, up and away?
I'll think about it. I'm not really that sure now. I like the planets, they're really beautiful, and it'd be great to see it.
I learned that astronauts, when they go to the toilet, they have to use like a vacuum.
It's also interesting to note that private astronauts are currently paying £125,000 each to reserve a seat on a suborbital spaceflight.
Of course, few of us can afford to fly Virgin Galactic, but there are plenty of other ways to enjoy what's out there. We can all be stargazers, so why not start here in the Greenwich Planetarium?
There's lots of looking and learning to be done here, for example in the corridor just outside the planetarium.
This is one of my favourites. It's a long exposure and you can see the stars make these streaks as the Earth rotates.
These are the winners of the Astronomy of the Year photography competition.
It's open to real astrophoto experts, but also absolute beginners. And what I really like about it is that you don't need expensive equipment. You don't even need a telescope to take a really great picture of the night sky.
20 years ago, for images like this, professional kit would have been required. But now we can all have a go.
In fact, digital cameras, which we now all have on our mobile phones, if you have one of these in your pocket, you have technology on there that was developed by astronomers in the 1970s and 80s to advance the science that they could do.
And what about a spot of opera?
You want some treats? Do as I say.
This new touring show for schools is a story about a dog called Laika, the first animal in space.
I hope they understand that actually, this dog that went up into space changed world history and changed the way people think about animals.
It opens at the Science Museum on the 22nd of this month.